From ancient carts to futuristic spacecrafts, today we're exploring every kind of vehicle you can imagine, what they are and what they're used for. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Section 1. Early and animal-powered transport. Horse carriage, elegant rides of the past, used for travel and special occasions. Bullock cart, a traditional farming cart pulled by oxen, great for carrying goods. Donkey cart, a simple cart for light loads in rural areas. Camel cart, perfect for deserts, carrying people and supplies. Section 2. Human-powered vehicles. Bicycle, the classic eco-friendly ride for commuting and exercise. Unicycle, a one-wheeled challenge, often used in circus acts and stunts. Rickshaw, a small cart pulled or pedaled, popular in Asia for short city rides. Section 3. Two-wheelers and scooters. Motorcycle, fast and powerful, perfect for the open road. Kick scooter, a fun ride for kids and short city trips. Mobility scooter, helps elderly and disabled people move around with ease. Scooty, lightweight scooters, easy for city travel. Dirt bike, built for rough trails and off-road adventures. Sports bike, high-speed machines for thrill seekers. Section 4. Odd rides and work helpers. Riding lawnmower, cuts grass while you ride. Wheelbarrow, a single-wheeled helper for carrying loads in gardens and construction. Auto rickshaw, a three-wheeled taxi, common in Asian cities. Golf cart, drives you around the golf course in style. Dune buggy, fun off-road vehicle for sand dunes. Car, the everyday personal vehicle. Mini car, small, cute, and perfect for city driving. Electric car, runs on batteries, clean and green. Hybrid car, combines fuel and electric power. Station wagon, a family car with lots of trunk space. Limousine, a stretched luxury car for VIPs. Luxury car, high-end comfort and style. Sports car, built for speed and performance. Convertible, a car with a roof that goes down. Hatchback, compact cars with a rear door hatch. SUV, sport utility vehicle, big and strong. Hardtop coupe, stylish cars with fixed roofs. Go-kart, small racing cars, great for fun tracks. Section 6. Vans and buses. Van, good for carrying goods or people. Bus, public transport for many passengers. Minivan, family-friendly transport. Delivery van moves packages around cities. Camper, small vehicle for camping trips. Trailer, pulled by another vehicle for extra cargo. Caravan, mobile home on wheels. Motorhome, a bigger traveling home. Double-decker bus, 2 levels of seating, iconic in London. School bus, bright yellow rides for kids. Wagon, traditional horse-pulled cargo cart. Section 7, trucks and heavy-duty vehicles. Truck, big loads, long roads. Pickup truck, open back for hauling. Fire truck, fights fires with water hoses. Police car, law enforcement patrol vehicle. Ambulance, saves lives in emergencies. Dumper truck, dumps sand, gravel, or debris. Tanker truck, carries liquids like fuel. Tractor, farm powerhouse. Bulldozer, pushes heavy earth and rocks. Forklift, lifts heavy loads in warehouses. Backhoe, digs and lifts on construction sites. Excavator, giant digger for big jobs. Crane, lifts heavy stuff high up. Roller, flattens roads. Tank, armored military machine. Section 8, trains. Train, classic rail transport. Bullet train, super fast trains. Steam train, old but iconic, runs on steam. Trolley, city streetcar. Monorail, runs on a single rail, modern and sleek. Section 9, air travel. Airplane, the standard passenger plane. Aircraft, general term for flying machines. Jet fighter, military speedster of the skies. Helicopter, flies straight up and down. Drone, remote-controlled flyer. Rocket, shoots into space. Spacecraft, travels beyond Earth. Airship, large floating balloon with a cabin. Hot air balloon, gentle sky travel. Parachute, drops safely from the sky. Paraglider, flies with wind and fabric wings. Hang glider, glide through the air like a bird. Section 10, water transport. Canoe, a small paddle boat. Kayak, Slim boat for rivers and rapids. Boat, general small watercraft. Paddle boat, fun, pedal-powered boat. Fishing boat for catching fish. Motorboat, powered by an engine. Jet ski, fun water scooter. Tugboat, pulls big ships. Dinghy, small inflatable boat. Launch boat, used to ferry people to larger ships. Raft, simple floating platform. Sailboat, uses wind-powered sails. Hovercraft, glides over water and land. Airboat, flat-bottom boat with a big fan. Ship, big vessel for long journeys. Cruise ship, floating hotels for vacations. Ocean liner, carries passengers across oceans. Steamboat, powered by steam, old-fashioned but iconic. Barge, flat-bottom boat for cargo. Oil tanker, moves large amounts of oil. Cargo ship, carries goods worldwide. Aircraft carrier, huge warship with planes on deck. Submarine, travels deep under the sea. Section 11, snow and ice transport. Sledge, pulled over snow or ice. Reindeer sledge, Santa's ride in snowy lands. Skis, strapped to your feet to slide on snow. Snowboard, ride down snowy slopes. Snowmobile, a motor sled for snowy terrain. Snowcat, snow grooming machine. Snowplow, clears roads in winter. And there you have it, from a humble wheelbarrow to rockets in space. Which of these is your favorite ride? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing journeys.